why on earth did this stock run 51% on Friday? Ticker symbol UAVS. Well, it's because they announced a successful drone and sensor sale to the U.S. Army. I think this is a theme that could heat up, but then there was another catalyst that could possibly move some of these drone stocks based on the breaking news of the arrest of the Venezuelan dictator. This could fizzle out as well. So it's all about maybe if the U.S. announces a prolonged stabilization mission, meaning troops stay in Venezuela, that would act as a sustained tailwind for these stocks as equipment orders refill. A good way to look at this is, like Peter Lynch says, the person that turns over the most rocks wins the game. Let's look at as many stocks as possible in this drone sector that move. So I want to look for the stocks where if there truly is momentum in this, we get the ones that move the most. So starting with the most time sensitive stocks, ticker symbol AVAV, why could AeroVironment move? Because they are the market leader in kamikaze drones, loitering munitions. Their Switchblade 300-600 series is standard issue for U.S. Special Ops. If the raid involved taking out guards or air defense radars with zero collateral damage, Switchblades were likely the tool of choice. The catalyst, this operation serves as a high-profile proof of concept for their tech in regime change scenarios. So this stock right now is currently $256 a share, really close to support. This is the monthly chart, and this is one to watch. The next stock is Kratos Defense and Security, ticker symbol KTOS, and why that could potentially move is Kratos builds high-performance jet-powered drones like the Valkyrie and Mako. These are often used as loyal wingmen or high-speed targets that can mimic fighter jets to confuse enemy radar systems, allowing the real aircraft F-22's helicopters to slip in safely. The catalyst, if decoys were used to blind the Venezuelan military, Kratos is the primary play here. This stock has already had a huge move in the last few years from $9 to currently $79.29. Average daily range is 5. I'm only looking for stocks that have an ADR of over 4. That means it's going to be volatile. It's going to move if we can surf these on the right side. The next stock is ticker symbol RCAT, Red Cat. Why it can move is because they focus on small rucksack portable ISR, which means intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance drones like the TL2, which excels in nighttime operations. The catalyst, as a blue UAS company, U.S. government approved, non-Chinese, they are the go-to for sensitive data missions. The raid reportedly happened at night/early morning, exactly the environment that TL2 is built for. And this has an ADR of 9, so this is going to move a lot. So check this out. This stock moved 15% on Friday. Okay, now the exciting one. This is going to have huge moves, 100% guaranteed for 2026, but the direction is the question because this stock is currently $1.23. This could go to 50 cents tomorrow. So none of this is financial advice, only watch this advice, but look at the volume. On Friday. So this is ticker symbol UAVS, AG Eagle Aerial Systems. They secured a significant contract with the U.S. Army for its EB-TAC tactical mapping drones. Again, this is just on Friday. The stock ran 51%, currently $1.23. The volume is way above average, and it's not the best looking chart because psychologically, just think of everyone who bought here at $2, at $2.50. Maybe they want to get out. So there's a lot of resistance, turbulence that this needs to fly out of. But I do think that this is worth your watch list. And look at the chart. So there's two ways to look at it. One is, well, it's not too overly extended, that's for sure. So yeah, you're not chasing it, but at the same time, all these people here want to get out of it potentially. This is the weekly chart, by the way. But look at these huge moves. I mean, this went from 90 cents to $3.50 in a matter of 1 month, 300%. If you see the volume that it had back in July, the last time we saw this much volume, it had a big move. So I saw this picture and I went through all of these stocks. And so I'm looking for the best ones. We're turning over as many rocks as possible. But I plugged in all these stocks and I asked ChatGPT, hey, which one has the highest upside, the highest blow up and dilution risk? And the second bullet point was ticker symbol AIROUMAC. Again, I want to find which one really stood out to me. Ticker symbol DPRO. You can put all these on your watch list. Ticker symbol EH, EVTL, ACHR, but ONDS. This was interesting. So they already had a monster 2025 run. Doubling again would likely require conversion of large programs. Again, I asked which stock is likely to 2x the fastest, like the announced border protection tender with thousands of drones into revenue, plus margins, plus continued counter UAS orders. But look what Grok had to say. So I then plugged in all these, and it said that based on market analysis, industry forecasts, and social media buzz, ticker symbol ONDS stands out as having the most explosive potential to at least double in 2026. Its projected revenue surge to 110 million, driven by U.S. drone regulations, defense spending increases, and key contracts, position it for significant upside in the secure communication segment of the drone ecosystem. While risks like execution and dilution exist, the consensus from analysts and investors highlights it as a top conviction pick for rapid growth. So here's the problem. This stock is already up. Okay, so let's look at the monthly chart. In April of 2025, this stock was under $1. This stock was 66 cents, and now it's $11. So this stock is already up 1,500%. I haven't bought any of these stocks. I'm just putting on my watch list and just looking for important levels and stories and narratives that could change tomorrow. But ticker symbol ONDS it's approaching resistance right here, but you never know. If I look at the monthly chart, this might come back down to $3.98, $4, and then that could be potential support. Let's look at the 3-month. They had their IPO, and it looks like October of 2018. This stock, right around here, this $5.90 area would be an interesting area for support. But in this environment, hey, we might not touch that and it might skyrocket. So if we were to look at the daily right now, I would be cautious of this resistance back in October. I think ticker symbol ONDS has a lot of potential, but UAVS, that's way more risky. But this is more my style. So this user here, Stock Savvy Shay, did a great job highlighting all these stocks and categorizing them. So ticker symbol UAVS, that's the one that moved 51% on Friday. Those are drones used for farming and commercial work. The ecosystem breaks down like this. Ticker symbol ONDS, communication systems that let drones talk securely. Ticker symbol UMAC, software that coordinates groups of drones working together. Ticker symbol JOBY, ACHR, this Kathy Wood is buying this. It seems like she buys every dip in ticker symbol ACHR at ARK Invest. She had a good year last year. Ticker symbol EVTL, electric aircraft designed to carry people. Ticker symbol AVAV, KTOS, what we talked about, RCAT, AIRO, the physical drones and mission hardware, DPRO, drone platforms used for training, operations, and real-world deployment. And I didn't talk about these at all. Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin, very slow-moving names, but large-scale autonomous and defense systems integrated into military platforms. Keep an eye on those drone stocks for 2026. I'll keep you updated if I buy any of those. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.